Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Xfinity Error Code 009, Network Timeout and Relogin. To fix Xfinity related error code 009, often found when streaming through a Roku device or a smart TV, you generally need to address a network or Wi-Fi communication failure. Try these targeted steps to get back online. Fix 1. Power cycle your equipment. Unplug your TV or Roku device and your Xfinity router gateway from the wall outlet. Then wait for at least 30 seconds, then plug them back in and wait for the connection to reestablish. Fix 2. Reset your network settings. Navigate to your streaming device or TV settings. From there, go to Settings and then to System and then tap on Advanced System Settings. Now tap on Network Connection. Reset to clear corrupted Wi-Fi configuration. Fix 3. Check your Wi-Fi band. Ensure you are connected to your in-home network, not an Xfinity public hotspot. If your router combines 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks into one name, try connecting to the 2.4 GHz network instead, as it provides a more stable connection through walls. Fix 4. Perform a system update. Make sure your smart TV or streaming device firmware is fully updated to patch network bugs. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.